kids, welcome to my channel Easy Kids Classes. Let's learn some colors and shapes. Red color, blue color, black color, green color, brown color, light pink color, violet color, sky blue color, dark green color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, peacock green color. Let's learn to draw shapes. Cross, hexagon, hexagon, square, heart, trapezoid, kite, pick a green color, cross, cross, pick a green color, yellow color, hexagon, hexagon, yellow color, sky blue color, square, square, sky blue color, violet color, heart, 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 violet color, dark green color, trapezoid, trapezoid, dark green color, red color, kite, 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 red color, cross, hexagon, square, heart, trapezoid, kite. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.